In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change photo quality on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings, and after that, scroll down until you find the camera. In camera, we need to search for formats, and that's where we can change photo quality of all future photos on our iPhone. First off, we can configure camera capture. We need to choose one of these two options. Down below it says that to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in high efficiency. If you want to increase photos quality, select most compatible. If you want to reduce photos quality and reduce file size, select high efficiency. After that, also we can configure photo mode. Down below it says that photos on the main camera at 1x zoom can be saved at 12 or 24 megapixels. So we can get in here, and that's where we can select either we would like to use 12 or 24 megapixels. The higher megapixels you choose, the higher will be the file size. Right there it says that the file will be 3 megabytes at 12 megapixels and about 4.8 megabytes at 24 megapixels. And also, if you would like to highly increase photos quality on your device up to 48 megapixels, you can turn on that option. After that, it will allow you to select in which file format you would like to save your pictures, and in here it shows the approximately size of photos files, depends on which format you've selected. However, if you are not working with some kind of professional software, if you are not a photographer, I do not recommend you to turn on that option. That's because photo files that are taken in a high resolution, they has a really big file size, up to 75 megabytes each photo. For the personal use, it's enough to select most compatible and switch photo mode to 24 megapixels if it is set to 12. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.